Hi, this is Untitled Parts Pro. Today with 2019 Holden Colorado, stock number 6986. This ran from the 7th 2016 to the 12th 2020. It's an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front 16-inch steel welded tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel welded tyre, right rear 16-inch steel welded tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch steel welded tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, front courtesy light, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,